Menopause can feel like a daunting pause in life, but it doesn't have to be. With NuviaLab Meno, I've discovered a natural ally that helps tackle those pesky symptoms, like hot flashes, fatigue, and mood swings. It's amazing to think that so many women, from Lebanon to around the globe, are finding real relief and reclaiming their vitality. NuviaLab Meno combines 9 powerful ingredients, including Libifem and Luprenol, to support our bodies during this transition. It's not just about surviving menopause, it's about thriving through it. Imagine feeling energetic and in control again. Women like Maria, and Katarzyna are already experiencing the benefits, and I'm excited to join them. This isn't just another supplement, it's a carefully crafted blend designed to ease hot flashes, improve sleep, and promote hormonal balance, all while being 100% natural, vegan, and gluten-free. Why let menopause dictate your life? It's time to embrace comfort and joy in every moment.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.